The Wazakura Japanese Bonsai Branch Tool Kit is a top-notch choice for bonsai enthusiasts seeking precision and quality. This set includes two essential tools: the Hanafuki Concave Branch Cutter and the Knob Branch Cutter, both meticulously crafted in Niigata, Japan. The Concave Branch Cutter features an 8-inch blade with a 0.98-inch cutting length, perfect for creating smooth, hollow cuts on branches that heal with minimal scarring. Its dimensions are 7.87 by 1.96 by 0.78 inches, and it weighs just 6.7 ounces. Made from S55C carbon steel and black-coated, this tool combines durability with a sleek finish. The Knob Branch Cutter, slightly larger at 8.26 inches, excels in removing trunk knobs and roots. With a blade length of 0.59 inches and a total weight of 8.11 ounces, it's designed for precision and ease of use. Measuring 8.26 by 1.96 by 0.51 inches, this tool complements the concave cutter perfectly. Both tools are hand-forged using traditional techniques, a method that not only strengthens the steel, but also echoes the craftsmanship of Japanese samurai swords. The set arrives in an elegant gift box, making it an excellent choice for a Christmas or birthday present. Wazakura Japan stands out for its commitment to preserving traditional blacksmithing skills while offering high-quality bonsai tools to the global market. Their collaboration with skilled artisans ensures that each tool is crafted to the highest standards. For anyone serious about bonsai care, this kit offers unmatched precision and craftsmanship.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.